Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Tropical Paradise Slushee. So I have some mixed fruit in the bottom, and then I'm adding a cup of ice and a little bit more because the fruit kind of adds some frozen. Still, again, going to have about the 20 ounces of ice, water, and fruit mix. I'm adding 1 scoop of our Tropical Twist fiber, 2 scoops of our H3O, 1 scoop of Pina Stevia, some Mandarin Aloe. Then I'm going to blend it for about 10 seconds. And I'm dusting the cup with tropical fruit stevia and pour it in. And then I top it with a little bit more stevia. And then you're done. Thanks for watching.